Well, as predicted, it's raining. Not pouring, but it is steady. So, yeah, we're not in a rush to really go anywhere today. I think it's about 7 a.m. We'll probably chill for a bit longer, have some breakfast. I don't know, maybe hit the road by 9 or 10. Today's just one of those days you just want to chill. Sound of cars driving by in the rain, raindrops on the rooftop, train blasting its horn in your face, filling your ear holes with noise. You know, kind of thing you just kick it to. Anyway, we'll keep you posted. Well, other than Sunday morning traffic, it actually didn't turn out to be too bad. Probably would have gotten a decent view. Up there is where we were going to go. It's a paragliding platform where paragliders launch all the time. Would have provided a pretty sweet view of this area. I don't know, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Sometimes you sleep in a parking lot. Either way, it was generally quiet. I was actually surprised it was as noisy as it was. It's Sunday morning, so everyone must be heading to church. BC is kind of part of Canada's Bible Belt, interior BC. Someone's gonna get on my case for saying that. Most of the attractions are closed. That's okay. We like to just kind of explore the out of doors anyways, and those hopefully never close. I'm going to make a trip to the outhouse, which is 10 steps away. We are going to get started. Huh? Huh?
It's not just an outhouse, Eric.
Oh, yeah. Not just an outhouse. I'm going to go to the washroom.
It has a flushing toilet.
With the flush toilet.
And running water.
You can tell someone's a lot more excited about it than I am. And then we'll be on our way. It's steamy right in that one spot because someone is fixing their coffee. Your coffee's cooling down. Because we left our mugs, we haven't stopped to buy any other ones yet. We have just been going out for coffee, and so we're being kind of lazy, but we did buy beans here.
We are on the way home now at this point.
I'm traveling with my fellow pirate. Yar.
It's a good way to cover dirty hair.
It's a decent flat white.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So they didn't mess it up? Like you were...
It's a little strong, like a little bitter.
Okay.
Like they
I thought it was
going to
be
too much pressure.
I thought it was going to be too weak.
Yeah, no. I think they just used, like, the bitterness is strong, but I don't know enough about coffee to know if that's right or not. But
well, at least it's better than being too, like... Because you didn't know if they're going to do a double shot, so obviously they did, right?
Yeah.
So what's next? Should I get that yogurt and stuff out?
Sure. And then we can just... It's one reason why the fridge is where it is, so we can easily reach it. So I don't know, we can just blitz straight back to Edmonton, or we can kind of meander and try to find some more vintage shops, or we could spend another night and get home tomorrow.
Yep, I don't know.
So you tell me. And I said it first, so you can't say, well, you tell me.
Yeah, I don't know.
We'll figure it out. So we didn't make it like 4 kilometers We're stopping at the D Dutchman's dairy, partially because Marilyn is Dutch and it's family, not really, but all the Dutch are related. And second, because they have animals, cows, chickens, sheep, pretty much everything. It's almost like a petting zoo here.
And we need more cream.
Yeah, we need more cream. That was really the big reason for turning.
That was the real reason.
I think it was animals, but she started with cream. Anyways, we're going to go wander around. One thing you'll learn about Marilyn is she has a thing for farms and barn life. I almost got a drip off the roof in my coffee.
I wouldn't say barns like animals.
Can you see the cat in the manure pile? Can you see him yet? He's mewing. You see him now? There he is, little guy. I don't know.
Come.
Felt the desire to climb up there. It's probably warm. Manure composts and creates heat. I gotta be careful or Marilyn's gonna try to take this thing home.
I wonder if it's feral.
Oh no, he's coming towards us, so I doubt he's feral. He's fine. He's just, it's probably warm in there and he's just cuddling into the warm manure. He's not, he's just meowing. Cats meow. He's literally in a petting zoo. He probably is hiding from all of the 6-year-old girls who want to maul him. Yeah, she's gonna be worried about that cat for a while now. She grew up apparently on a different kind of farm. I grew up on a farm where all animals were kind of part of the system. I think she grew up on one where, or at least she had the perception she was on one where they were all pets, even the ones that weren't pets. Oh, look at this guy. This guy's big. Come here, big guy. Come on. Oh, chicken might be coming to say hi. You're still concerned about that cat. Also a peacock. You guys cluck like chickens? I'm gonna guess one of you is a rooster and one of you is a hen. Oh, maybe you're both roosters. I thought one of you was chasing the other one, but now I think you guys are doing your little dance.
Are you recording that?
Yeah.
I thought I heard that peacocks are super aggressive in the territory.
They are when they need to be, but yeah, I don't know what determines that. It's like National Geographic up in here. I think they only really go at it when there's like female chickens around. So if they pull them out of the same... Oh yeah, he's just hunkered down. He's just
got nowhere else to go.
No, he's just loving life right now.
No, he's scared.
That compost is warm as anything. He's happier than a pig in poo.
I'm not convinced.
Every animal's in distress and needs a Marilyn to take care of it. Well, the one on the roof just did, but I think there's another one over there somewhere. I'll always believe that goats are pure evil. Oh, there he is.
I'm gonna try and... I think he's scared, so I'm gonna try and get up to him. Come. Look at him. Look at him.
Oh yeah, he's fine. Let's see if Marilyn can befriend the feral cat. She's gonna be heartbroken if he says no. Well, that cat that direly needed Marilyn's help ran away, refusing her help. She's heartbroken. I'm not sure she'll ever recover. Every animal needs to be saved. And she's the hero. Like, don't touch my ear.
They have really rough tongues, like cat tongues. I need to get a wipe.
Now comes the hardest part, tearing her away from the animals. But yeah, we're gonna hit the road. This place has turned into a zoo. The lineup is like 60 people long, winding outside in the parking lot. Glad we're not lining up for ice cream. Pro tip, you can go in and buy a liter of ice cream for the same price as an ice cream cone.
Almost.
And they have a grocery lineup, which is different than the regular lineup. So you can just go in the grocery, buy 2 or 3 liters of ice cream for the price of 3 ice cream cones. Find yourself a spoon and go to town. She's wiping all the cow lick off of her fingers. Yeah. We decided to stop at Takkakaw Falls in Yoho National Park. This, if you look at my channel, you'll see a trip that we made that exited from a long traverse here. And then this like 15K road, you have to ski the whole way out. You're just dead by the time you get here. And then it's another, so it ends up being like a half marathon with like 50 pounds in gear tied to your feet and your backpack, slogging through deep snow. But yeah, look for that trip on our channel. It's coming soon. It happened last winter, but we just haven't had a chance to edit it yet. Either way, it's beautiful up here. Takkakaw Falls, I think, is the highest falls either in Canada or North America. It's like over 1,000 feet, I think.
More than Niagara?
Oh, Niagara's short, but wide. So it's a higher volume. This isn't a huge amount of volume, although it's quite a bit. That being said, we're going to keep cruising. We'll show you a little bit more of the area here. Well, that's kind of scenic. Whole snot load of picnic tables there. Yeah, this place isn't too bad. I'm not one for touristy locations like this, but it's dead right now. There's 3 or 4 cars in the parking lot, maybe a few up where you park to go into the backcountry. But yeah, there's like nothing going on here. Can't put up with crowds, but I can put up with this. And then this part I'm not going to show you. Oh man, look at that. Last to the sunlight, hitting the mountaintops. Get a bit of that evening alpenglow. That's the money right there. I do wish I was up there though. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty incredible. And that all right from the door to that thing. That's just insane. Look at that. Yeah, you can see the sunlight ripping through the atmosphere above us, but there's no light really on much except the little mountain tops themselves. Marilyn is sitting in the van right there. But I want to walk down here and see this part. Never actually been down here before, but when you bypass these spots, you miss a lot of stuff like that. Are these picnic tables? Like literally steps from the parking lot. If you were able to get one on a busy lunch hour, you could kick it and have a nice lunch looking at that. That is nuts. Yeah, like there. And then literally the parking lot. Yeah, the Stanley Mitchell ACC hut. Been there lots of times. The Whiskey Jack Hostel. Been there once or twice, I think. On lots of hiking trails. You can get all the way over to Emerald Lake from here. Google it if you haven't. It's gorgeous. It's like Moraine Lake or Lake Louise. Probably prettier in some ways. Well, yeah, this must be like a warden's cabin. Oh man, and then down the valley there, that's the valley we came out of in that other video. There's glaciers up there, all kinds of amazing views. Oh, you can even see up there, we got some fresh snow. Remember, it's like towards the end of August and they're getting snow in the mountains in Canada. Well, we got a bit of hunting to do for a place to stay tonight, so we'll attend to that, but we'll keep you guys posted. As I said, here's the parking lot. There's the picnic tables right there. There's Takkakaw Falls. No wonder this place turns into a zoo when it's nice weather.
Get some good video?
I don't know, think so.
You think so?
We won't know till we get home and watch it.
Oh, it's still recording.
Yeah.
Right.
Good thing she didn't say anything inappropriate.
It's close.
Damn pirates. Anyways, we're going to do some more driving here, head on out. We have to find somewhere overnight we can park. Parks is very, very, very difficult unless you're in a campground. But again, rest stops on Highway 1, rest stops on Highway 16. By law, you're allowed to stop and rest if you're tired. If they come and hassle you, they are accepting the liability of kicking a tired driver on the road. It is the same as driving impaired. So if you ever get hassled at an official rest stop on a highway,